back with another vlog. So, since I am a Muslim, I've been fasting and it's been quite healthy for my mind and my body as well. The reason why I tell that is because fasting a helps me for my metabolism, and it also in some way reduces stress. So I yeah, most of my friends do intermediate fasting as well. So I would suggest you guys to implement that. Now coming back to the quarantine thing, I think this quarantine has led many, if if not almost every people into mental breakdowns, or some way or the other it has helped many people develop anxiety. So I myself have been into anxiety, and I've got panic attacks lately, and I was into depression as well. So I would suggest you to be with the ones who love you, and obviously stay positive as well. And see, honestly, uh, off late it's been what, a week or so since I have recovered, and I spoke to many friends. Like I am a kind of person who doesn't like to socialize at all. I have minimal friends in the sense I have like my friends from childhood, they are my friends till now, and I think I am very lucky in that sense. And yeah, be with the ones who love you, who love to be around with you, give positive vibes, and yeah, that's how you have to deal with this. Having said that, I live in Bangalore, and I've been staying in Bangalore since 2000. I was born in Muscat, and I've the memory what I have is what I know. This lighting sucks because I am at my friend's place now. This is my daily routine now. I work I work till 5 5 p.m. I log in at 11. I log out at 5. Then I break my fast and come to my friend's place because uh, I obviously have to stay positive during these times, because I am that kind of person who easily gets affected by who easily gets affected from depression, anxiety. I've I've had many fake friends in my life, and yeah, it was tough to get out of it. But now I am with like-minded people who love the company of me, if that's a good phrase to add. And yeah, this is how kill time. Having said that, um, I would love to show you. I mean, I would love to show you guys the uh, sky in Bangalore today, because I have restrictions at my place. Like I cannot go beyond my colony, which is I I don't think I should be disclosing my place of location where I stay. But yeah, let me show you this. So yeah, this is honestly, this really helps me from recovering from my anxiety. Nature, man. But yeah, enjoy the coconut tree over here. Yeah, my autofocus up. Please excuse the police siren, because obviously it's 7 p.m. Yeah. A quick vlog update. I would be posting thrice a week. That is Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, most probably. And since these are my initial days, I would like you guys to have my back. And eventually, after this lockdown ends, I would be traveling to Pune or Mumbai, that is via bike, because I think traveling through road is very